Hello everyone, welcome to Beer Money Forum YouTube channel, the place where we help each other to make money online. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online business, but the thought of managing inventory, upfront costs, shipping, logistics seems overwhelming? With Printify, you can launch a risk-free business today and start turning your creativity into a profitable venture in just a few easy steps. Printify empowers thousands of entrepreneurs to launch their own print-on-demand stores without any of the traditional business risks. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or a creative dreamer, Printify's platform is designed to make starting your own business as simple and stress-free as possible. You have no upfront costs, no inventory to manage, and no complex logistics. Printify handles production and shipping so you can focus on what you do best, creating and selling. Creating your designs has never been easier. Whether you are a professional designer or just starting, you can use tools like Canva, Photoshop, or even Printify's mockup generator to bring your creative ideas to life. You can start by designing something that reflects your brand or appeals to your target audience. And once your design is ready, it's just a matter of uploading it to Printify. From there, you can apply your designs to a wide range of products, everything from clothing to home decor. The platform makes it easy to visualize your ideas on real products before you go live. With your designs ready, it's time to connect Printify to your favorite sales platform. Printify integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Shopify, eBay, and much more. In just a few clicks, your products can be available for millions of customers to discover. Now that your store is live, promotion is key. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to showcase your designs in an engaging way. Share your story, highlight your best sellers, and build a community around your brand. You can also use email marketing to stay connected with your customers and encourage repeat business. Consider collaborating with influencers, running paid ad campaigns, or even partner with local events to expand your reach. With the right marketing strategies, your print-on-demand business can grow exponentially overnight. So, what makes Printify's print-on-demand business model so powerful? First and foremost, no upfront costs. You don't need to invest in an inventory or worry about unsold stock. Your products are only produced once an order is placed, meaning there's no financial risk for you. Additionally, there's no need to handle inventory or manage a warehouse. Printify takes care of everything for you, and with their global network of print providers, your business can reach customers all over the world. You focus on creativity and marketing while they handle production, fulfillment, and shipping. Do you want your product to stand out? When creating designs, think about what you will resonate with your target audience. Use bold colors and unique typography to grab attention. Simple, clean design are often the most effective, but don't be afraid to experiment with trends or create something niche that speaks directly to your ideal customers. Stay on top of the trends, but also think about timeless designs that will appeal to a wide audience. Research what's popular in your niche, but always bring your own creative twist to the table. So once your customer places an order, Printify goes into action. They handle all aspects of production and shipping. Their network of print providers ensure that your products are made with the highest quality, while the shipping partners get them to your customers quickly and safely. This means you can spend less time worrying about logistics and more time growing your business. With Printify, your customers receive top-notch products, and you can focus on scaling your brand, providing great customer service, and creating new designs. So, what are you waiting for? Start your print-on-demand journey today with Printify. Sign up now and turn your passion into profit without the risk of losing your money. Check the link in the description right now. And last but not least, thank you Printify for sponsoring the video, and thank you guys for watching the video. Please drop a like if you enjoyed, and as well a comment if you have any particular questions. I will be here and I'm going to answer any of your questions. And don't forget to subscribe. Coming up very soon with a new way to make money as usual. Peace out.